somewhere there. Yes. Officials, can we have 2 ribbons now? Can we have the second ribbon there? Second ribbon for receiving those who are doing bottle filling. We are doing 2 activities concurrently. I want by 2 o'clock when we are somewhere. 60 meters, P2. Chairs. We need the chairs here. 20 in a number. 20 for every house. Miss Rusty, you may ask them. We undermine them. The brother from City wants to thank you very much. You know, Airtel, Life Insurance, Jubilee and Seeta. Thank you for supporting this event. Airtel, our biggest one. Alright. Now we are bringing another group of 60 meters, P1. We are set. Photo feeding Missouri, second Elgon, third, for 60 meters race, P2. Walking in the basin, shoot tight. Then what happened there? Who is in the first position? Okay, so let's move in that order. Let's move in that. Alright, and ladies and gentlemen, you okay. Let's go. Paul, you release another group. Leave another group.
Nobody can access here, even if there's somebody here.
Called Chia.
Attending, we are health is maintained, and thank you for sponsoring this event. St. Joseph's Medical Center, Mumpaka. We are proud of you. Airtel Uganda. Airtel Uganda. Airtel Uganda. So you have done us well. Mr. Mississippi, Leonard, the